Well, here it is this morning. We got hit with snow. That's little Four Peaks out there in the middle, and beyond that's Four Peaks, but it's obscured by clouds. But this is what I drove into this morning, just going past Lost Dutchman State Park. Awesome. So here's what greeted me on First Water Road. Lots of snow. Never seen snow here. So this is First Water Road, just past the horse trailer parking lot, and you can see how sloppy the road is. Look at that. And got the truck dirty for the first time. That was fun. Glad I got the limited slip rear axle and the AT tires on that thing. It is pretty sloppy going. I don't think there'll be too many people out here today. This lot gets like a quagmire. There's not a whole lot of gravel, it's just pretty much dirt. Swampy, nasty. I'm not even going in there with the truck. I'm just going to take a walk up to the helipad off of the parking lot at First Water Road. This is where the road ends. There's the helipad. I'm going to walk up to this saddle up here and see what it looks like on the other side. I've never seen this kind of snow out here, this low. I mean, there was snow along the highway, Highway 88. Not like this, but as I was driving in, Weaver's Needle even had snow on it, but now the clouds covered it up. Hopefully it'll break out before I leave. Up, you can barely see it. All right. This little saddle you can see down into where First Water Creek is. It's almost like a little valley. And you can see Weaver's Needle way out there, very faintly behind the clouds. And this is just awesome.